Look, nobody's pretending this isn't a nightmare sometimes. Endless decks, half-baked pitches, mountains of data nobody actually reads, and the clock ticking like a bomb. Venture analysts are drowning in noise, stuck between juggling gut feeling and spreadsheet hell, and it's brutal. You know the frustration, sifting through endless startups, chasing weak leads, missing the real gems because there's no time, no space, and no breathing room to think. It's maddening. The pressure to not only find winners, but to do it faster, sharper, smarter. And let's be honest, humans make mistakes, get tired, get biased, miss out. It's a mess. Now, everyone's whispering about AI stepping in. Some say machines will replace human analysts soon, and frankly, that scares the hell out of a lot of people here. The fear of being made obsolete, of your gut intuition being swapped for cold algorithms. But forget the doom and gloom. You're missing the real story here. This isn't about humans versus AI. It's about who controls the future of deal flow. And the future belongs to those who figure out how to get AI working for them right now. Not later, not someday. Here's the brutal truth. AI won't just handle grunt work. It can calculate risk faster, crunch massive data sets nobody could touch, and spot patterns buried way deeper than any human could in weeks. But it's not magic. It's a tool. And the real power comes from blending what AI can do with what only humans bring. Instinct, context, judgment formed by experience, and guts. This means waking up to a new reality. You're either mastering AI-driven platforms to upgrade your analysis, or you're getting left behind, watching your competitors outrun you. You don't need to be a tech genius. Start by ripping apart how you source and vet startups today. Stop relying on gut alone or drowning in endless PDFs. Train your team to do 3 things obsessively well. 1. Feed the AI with the right, clean data. 2. Interpret the output as a partner, not a final answer. And 3. Squeeze every ounce of insight from human networks, references, and intuition. Because AI hasn't cracked real human signals yet. Nail these 3, and you're not just surviving, you're dominating. And here's something no one says out loud. Trust is the biggest bottleneck now. The world is drowning in data and shiny AI features. But if you can't trust your tools, your deal flow, your partners, you're dead in the water. Build transparency into everything you do. Demand platforms that show their logic. Never accept black box outputs without skepticism. Use AI to amplify your instincts. Never replace them blindly. If you want to flip the game, start thinking about AI as your first teammate, not your enemy. Stop fearing what it can do, and start hunting for gaps where it can make you faster, sharper, smarter. Use it to automate grunt tasks and deep dive into signals no one else sees, while you focus on the human stuff. Building relationships, sensing company culture, judging founder resilience. Finally, remember, this is about control. Power is shifting. The future great analysts won't be those who reject AI or bow to it. They'll be those who push it, wrestle it, and make it serve their mission of finding the next big thing before anyone else can see it. You want the future? Then start obsessing over this now. Build your muscle in this AI-human hybrid space while the rest are still debating if it's legit. If you don't, someone else who's more ruthless, sharper, and faster will eat your lunch. This is war for your edge. Take the tools, own the process, don't wait for permission, and don't fool yourself thinking you're immune. The next wave of venture analysis is already here. Are you ready to lead it, or watch from the sidelines? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to discover more.